Important things to do if you are involved in a car accident. If you are involved in a car accident, the first thing you should do is call 911. This will allow medical personnel to come to the scene and provide assistance. You should also take pictures and videos of the scene. If possible, try not to move the car until the police arrive. If you cannot, request to have it towed to a secure storage facility. It is also important to get the contact information of everyone involved in the accident. Even if you feel okay after the accident, it is crucial to get medical attention. Do not argue with the other driver. The heat of the moment can cause people to say things that are not entirely accurate. Moreover, if you are partially at fault, it can be difficult to collect damages on your own. An attorney can help you prove the other party's true liability and pursue compensation. This is important because insurance companies will deny your injury claim if you do not receive medical attention. According to the World Health Organization, car accidents cause 1.35 million deaths a year. Several other statistics suggest that accidents are a leading cause of injury among the population, ranging from 5 to 29 years old. The cost of car accidents is also a significant economic burden, affecting many countries by as much as 3% of their GDP. In most cases, the driver of the rear-ending vehicle will be held partially or completely responsible for the accident. Depending on the circumstances, however, the first driver may be found liable for 80% of the accident, whereas the driver of the second vehicle may be liable for only 20%. The driver of the first vehicle may be held at fault if she swerved to avoid the other vehicle. This may be true even if she was negligent. When you are involved in a car accident, it is important to preserve all details of the accident. You should keep all witness contact details, descriptions of the road conditions, and photos of the vehicles. In addition, if you own a cell phone, you should record a video of the scene of the accident. Also, remember to note the directions of the cars relative to each other, as this will help the adjuster recreate the scene. It is important to file your claim as soon as possible. The statute of limitations in New York is 3 years from the time of the accident. This deadline should not be ignored because it can lead to a delay in obtaining compensation. A delay in filing a claim may also result in evidence not being preserved. If you do not file your claim before the statute of limitations for car accident cases, you may lose your right to receive the compensation you deserve. In New York, the law applies a comparative fault rule, which is a legal rule that applies when 2 or more drivers share fault. In these cases, the jury will calculate the dollar amount of the plaintiff's damages and the other driver's percentage of fault. Once this is determined, the plaintiff will receive a reduced compensation amount. In addition to the insurance coverage, the law has a unique set of rules for recovering damages from negligent drivers who have minimal or no insurance. This means that victims of a car accident might be entitled to additional compensation for expenses and personal losses. Although these types of accident may not be covered by standard insurance, the law does not discriminate.